Coconut water is a refreshing and nutritious drink that is widely consumed in tropical regions. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits, including helping to balance blood sugar levels and promoting fat burning. In this video, we will explore how daily consumption of coconut water can help achieve these health goals. Balancing blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes, such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential for regulating blood sugar levels. These electrolytes help to increase insulin sensitivity, which means that the body can more efficiently use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Furthermore, coconut water has a low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause a sharp spike in blood sugar levels like high glycemic index foods do. This property makes it a great alternative to sugary drinks, which are known to cause blood sugar imbalances. Promoting fat burning. Another benefit of daily coconut water consumption is its ability to promote fat burning. Coconut water is low in calories and sugar, making it a healthy substitute for sugary drinks. Moreover, it contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digested and converted into energy by the body, promoting fat burning. MCTs are a type of fat that is rapidly metabolized and absorbed by the liver, where it is converted into ketones. These ketones serve as an alternative source of energy for the body, promoting fat burning and weight loss. In addition to MCTs, coconut water is also rich in fiber, which helps to keep you full for longer periods, reducing cravings and the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. This effect can further aid in weight loss efforts. How to incorporate coconut water into your daily routine. Now that you know the benefits of coconut water, you may be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. One way is to drink it first thing in the morning, as it can help hydrate your body and provide essential nutrients to start your day. You can also substitute sugary drinks with coconut water, such as soda or fruit juice. Coconut water is a great alternative that can help you cut down on sugar intake, promoting better overall health. In conclusion, daily consumption of coconut water can help achieve balanced blood sugar levels and promote fat burning. Its natural electrolytes, low glycemic index, and MCTs make it a healthy substitute for sugary drinks, and its fiber content helps to keep you full and reduce cravings. Incorporating coconut water into your daily routine can be an easy and delicious way to boost your overall health and wellness.